Hello my crafty friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I am going to be sharing with you a happy mail that I got in the mail today from my new friend Lisa. We met on Cheaply Chic's Facebook group and did a couple of Zoom videos together, and she's just really super sweet and very, very talented when it comes to making junk journals. And I asked her if she wanted to do a swap, and she said, of course. I was so excited because I was like, oh, I get one of her journals. So she sent it to me and I sent her one. So go ahead and head over to her channel to see what I sent her. And you can see her link in the description box below. And yeah, so I'm super excited to open this package and see what's inside. So let's see. So I'm just going to kind of pull it out. Oh, got a little note in here. Thank you for asking me to do a swap. I hope you love the journal. Enjoy all of the goodies. Stay safe. Happy crafting, my friend. Aw, so sweet. Okay, so we're going to save that for later, I think. So she put in a couple of goodies. So I also purchased a little kit from her, and I wanted to I've been doing that. I've been kind of buying things from Etsy shops, so I wanted to help her out and just support her shop. So she, this is kind of cool. It's like she decoupaged or like ironed a napkin on top of this. I don't know what that is. I mean, it's definitely, it feels like a napkin, but that's really cool. So this is the part that I actually purchased from her. So, and she did this through her, Instagram. So I'll leave that down below too, if you want to check that one out. So there's a little vintage set of buttons here. Really cute. And then there's a little sample of some ribbon with a little red lace on it. I really thought this would be cute for, 4th of July. Look how sweet that is. I love that. It's very vintage looking. And then there is some denim fabric. So basically like a little quarter. And then this really cute red fabric that has little yellow and orange flowers on it. And then this other piece of fabric that has some stripes in it. It smells like she maybe used some Febreze on the fabric, which is nice. It has a nice scent to it. Oh, that's what it is. She put in a what are these called? Fabric softener. That's it. So it has a nice, really nice scent to it. And then of course there is some like seam binding stuff. I think that's what this is called. I don't know if this, I can't remember what this is called, but it's like that hem stuff. And then there's another little thing in here. So here is her shop. It's handmade from Lisa. Oh, let's pull it over so you can actually see it. So here's her shop information. And then she just included some little cute little tags. This is just a little extra, I think. Oh, a shark card. And then some Trivia Pursuit, and then this cute little bag. And then she included some goodies. She just threw in some goodies with the swap. Oh, she made me like a little pocket out of a page. This feels like it's napkin decoupage. And then she just layered up some pieces on this little tag. And sewed it up. Very cute. This little postcard or picture looking thing. And then there's just a couple little things in here. A little piece of scrap. Oh, this is like a little matchbook flat thing. Oh, a little squirrel's cute. And then a library card, a little like an old game piece, and then a ticket. And then some really pretty decoupage napkins. Those are pretty. And then some sewing papers. Cute. Love, love, love. All this. It's really cute. Very cute. Okay. And then there's another. This one feels like it's been decoupage too, and then she sewed around the edges. I really like those bags. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at the journal. So this is the journal. Look how pretty it is. It's like a fabric cover with a little flower or butterfly doily, and then some eyelash trim on the bottom with a little button, and then this big piece of like a doily or something like that. I love this purple fabric. And then here's the inside. She fills it up with stuff, so that's cool. This is like an old postcard. A little pocket here on the side and the little lace. So cute. And then, yep, there's another little pocket. Yeah, she filled this thing to the brim with just different little ephemera pieces and different things. This is so fun. And then the little playing card. And then, oh, that's cool how she did that. That's really cool. This is old. This is from the 50s. That's a cool piece of paper. I love how she folded that up and put that in there like that. That is really neat. I like that. And then there's another, oh, let me put this back. And then there is another side to that. And then there's a little book page here with some lace on it. And then another old book page. It's like a little certificate page. And she's got a tab up here with, it's stapled on, and then she put a button. Very cool. And then this is like a little library pocket, a little matchbook. That's a cute little ephemera piece. I hadn't thought of that ever. And then another little like book page kind of thing, tucked in this little pocket here. And then some recipes. Another little tag tuck here, and some music sheet paper. Oh, here's a really old, from the 40s. Oh, that's really cool. A letter from the Marines. That's old. And that's just tucked into this music sheet with a little ruffle lacy here on the side. And then some just different little ephemera pieces. She has all these like older ephemera pieces. I wish I had something like that, but I guess I do now. And then here is a little pocket here. Not sure if this is supposed to come out. Oh yeah, there you go. That's cool how she did that. She put this piece on there and then stuck it in the front, stuck it in this pocket, and then made it hang over the side. That's really cool. I like how she did that. And then here's a couple other pieces. An old check. Here is a dictionary page, just a little piece of scrap. This is so pretty. And then here is a ticket and a tag. And then I love the fabric again. She made a little fabric pocket. Here's the other side of that, like certificate thing. It's a stock from the 30s. And then there's the rest of the page and a little announcement. Oh, this is really cute. I've got a book that I'm actually doing with, that's a baby book, so that will come in handy. You can use that in there. Another little fabric piece up here. Really, really super cute. I love this. It's so pretty. Thank you so much, Lisa, for all of the goodies. I really appreciate this, and I appreciate your friendship. And that is all I just wanted to share with you today. So I hope you guys enjoyed. And go check out her channel if she does have a YouTube channel, and lots of nice crafty journaling videos. Okay, bye for now.